Hello friends, I am MD Harun Al-Rashid and it's your YouTube channel Harun Bajan. Today in this video I will discuss top 30 model MCQ questions from the chapter Biological Classification class 11, especially for NEETs student. These questions are very special, so don't be late. Let's start. Question number 1. The question number 1 says, which one of the following is a wrong for fungi? तो कौन सा ऑप्शन है जो फंगाई के लिए गलत है? फर्स्ट, they are eukaryotic. So must be they are eukaryotic. All fungi possess a purely serologic cell walls. They are heterotrophic. They are both unicellular and multicellular. So here the wrong option is B. Why? Because all fungi possess purely chitin in their cell. Okay, so here the correct answer is B, and other options are right. They are eukaryotic, definitely eukaryotic. They are heterotrophic, yes. They are decomposer, saprophytic, saprobic, coprophilous, symbiotic, etc. They are both unicellular like yeast and multicellular like different agaricus. I think understand the other option. Next question, select the wrong statement. कौन सा ऑप्शन है जो गलत है? The all of diatoms are easily destructible. B. Diatomous earth is formed by the cell wall of diatom. C. Diatoms are chief producer in the oceans. D. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Here the wrong statement is the all of diatoms are easily destructible. This option is wrong. Why? Because are not easily destructible, because made by cell wall made by silica, pectin with silica. Okay, so do not easily destructible. Diatom. Another option says diatomous earth is formed by the cell wall of diatom. Definitely the cell wall decompose and produce diatomous earth or full earth. Diatoms are chief producer in the ocean. Definitely diatoms are protista. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Definitely they are plankton. Next question, which one of the following statement is wrong? Which one is wrong statement? A. Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. B. Phycomycetes are also called algal fungi. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae, and golden algae are also called desmids. So here the wrong statement is Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. Not Eubacteria is a true bacteria. And other options are right. Number 4, which one is a wrong statement? Haploid endosperm is typical features of gymnosperms. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthians. C. Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and Gymnosperm. Mucor had biflagellate juice spore. So here the wrong statement is D. Mucor has biflagellate juice spore. Why? Mucor is a zygomycetes fungus. Zygomycetes fungi, or also called conjugative fungi. Conjugative fungi. Here, biflagellate juice spore is a motile spore. It is absent in mucor. Mucor do not have any motile biflagellate juice spore. They have non-motile sporangiospore, asexual, and aplanus and sexual, and zygospore, non-motile sporangiospore and zygospore, sexual spore. So mucor has biflagellate juice spore. Mucor does not have biflagellate juice spore. Mucor has non-motile sporangiospore and zygospore. There, and other options are right. Like haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperm, and haploid endosperm in gymnosperm produce before fertilization. In case of gymnosperm, the haploid endosperm produced before fertilization. Brown algae have chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Archegonia are found in bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm. So all options are correct. Next question. Pick up the wrong statement. ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, ये कौन सा ऑप्शन है जो रॉन्ग है? Some fungi are edible, like Agaricus bisporus is edible fungi. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera, right? Cell wall is absent in Anvilium. Protista have photosynthetic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Definitely photosynthetic like diatom, and heterotrophic like Plasmodium or slime molds. So here the correct option is B, because in case of Monera, in kingdom Monera, there is no nuclear membrane are present. That's why it's called prokaryotic. Next question. Thermococcus, Methanococcus and Methanobacterium. Methanobacterium seem exemplify. ये जो बैक्टीरिया है वो exemplify करता क्या? A bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have a cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. B. Bacteria that all are archaebacteria. First, you understand, all Thermococcus, Methanobacterium all are archaebacteria. The bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. Bacteria that contain cytoskeleton and ribosomes. Archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histone. Archaebacteria that lacks any histone resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled. तो यहाँ पे चाहे कि कौन सा ऑप्शन राइट है, बाकी ऑप्शन रॉन्ग है. तो हियर सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन बिकॉज आर्कियोबैक्टीरिया दैट कंटेन प्रोटीन होमोलॉगस टू यूकैरियोटिक कोर हिस्टोन, ये यूकैरियोट के साथ आर्कियोबैक्टीरिया का मिल है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में देखो बैक्टीरिया हुज डीएनए इज रिलैक्स्ड और पॉजिटिवली नॉट, नेगेटिवली सुपर कॉइल्ड, but which have cytoskeleton which do not have cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria. Bacteria that contain cytoskeleton and ribosome not. Archaeobacteria that lack any histone not present. Histone protein resembling that those found in eukaryotic but whose DNA is negligible. So here only correct option is C. C is the option. Next question. Which of the following statement is not true for retroviruses? Retroviruses means RNA virus. RNA virus which have reverse transcriptase enzyme. So not true. DNA is not present at any stage in the life cycle of retrovirus. B. Retroviruses carry gene for RNA dependent DNA polymerase. RNA dependent DNA polymerase. The genetic material in mature retroviruses is RNA. Retroviruses are causative agents for certain kind of cancer in man. Maybe DNA is not. So here the not true option is DNA is not present at any stage in the life cycle of retrovirus. Because they have RNA. RNA convert to DNA by reverse transcriptase enzyme. Okay. Then DNA produce mRNA by transcription and then produce protein by translation process. So in their life cycle they produce DNA. Okay. So DNA is present at any stage in the life cycle of retrovirus. DNA is present when they are reproduced. So DNA is present, not present. So here A is the option right. Retrovirus carry gene for RNA dependent DNA polymerase. This is reverse transcriptase. The genetic material in mature retrovirus is RNA, definitely right. Retroviruses are causative agent for certain kind of cancer in human, maybe. The phenetic classification. Next question is phenetic classification of organism is based on observable character of existing organism. Phonetics means phenetic or numerical taxonomy. Numerical that represent the visible characters of an organism. The ancestral lineage of existing organism, dendrogram based on DNA characteristics. Okay. And sexual characteristics. No. Here the phenetic classification depends on the observable characters of existing organism. A is the correct option. A is the correct option. So what is the phenetic classification? It is a type of numerical taxonomy organism arranged on the basis of similarity character. External trait, also Adansonian taxonomy. Okay. This is also called numerical taxonomy or Adansonian taxonomy. 1763. What is dendrogram? Here another point is dendrogram. So what is dendrogram? A branching diagram that represents the similarity. Dendrogram is a branching diagram. represent the similarity among organisms. Like, suppose human, monkey, aves, and reptile. Here, monkey and human are closely related. Okay, and monkey are closely related to aves than human. Aves are closely related to reptile than human. So this type of representation is called dendrogram. Dendrogram that represent the similarity among organisms. Next question. Lichens are well-known combination of an alga and fungus, where fungus has the lichen. Lichen is a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship. So, lichens are well-known combination of an alga and fungus, where fungus has a saprophytic relationship with the alga, epiphytic relationship with alga, parasite relationship with alga, symbiotic relationship with alga. Number D is correct option. Why? Because the algae is called phycobiont, and fungi, in this relationship fungi is called mycobiont. Fungus is producer, algae is a producer and they absorb, fungi absorb minerals for algae. Next question. Viruses are more alive than isolated chromosomes because viruses are no more alive than isolated chromosomes because they require both RNA and DNA. They both need food molecules. They both require oxygen for respiration. Both require the environment of a cell to replicate. Both require. Viruses are no more alive than isolated chromosomes because both require environment of a cell to replicate. This is the D is the correct option. Number 11, number question. Which statement is correct for bacterial transduction? So what is the meaning of transduction? Transduction is a sexual stage or sexual reproduction in bacteria, where the genetic material transfer from one bacteria to another bacteria through virus. Okay? The transfer of some genes from one bacteria to another bacteria through virus. This is the correct option. Transfer of gene from one bacteria to another bacteria by conjugation. This is conjugation. Okay, by conjugation tube. This is not transduction, but this is conjugation by conjugation tube. Bacteria obtain its DNA directly from mother cell. DNA directly from mother cell. Bacteria obtain DNA from other external sources, not. Both are wrong answer. Mycorrhiza is correctly described. What is here? What is mycorrhiza? Mycorrhiza means symbiotic relation among roots of higher plant and roots of higher plants and fungus. Parasitic association between roots and some fungi. Symbiotic relationship between fungi and roots of some higher plants. Symbiosis of algae and fungi. Relation of ants with the system of Trisner. Symbiosis of algae and fungi is called lichen. And symbiotic relationship between fungi and roots of higher plants. B is the correct option. Next question. The protista is a unicellular eukaryotes. Protista have only free nucleic acid aggregates, membrane-bound nucleoprotein lying embedded in the cytoplasm. Only free nucleic acid aggregates, membrane-bound nucleoprotein lying embedded in the cytoplasm. Gene containing nucleoproteins condense together in loose mass, not. Nucleoproteins in direct contact with the rest of the cell substance. This is not right. But here B is the correct option. Membrane-bound nucleoproteins lying embedded in the cytoplasm. Bacteria. Now question number 14 is bacteria lack alternation of generation. What is alternation of generation? The sporophytic and gametophytic generation is alternately come one after another is called alternation of generation because there is neither syngamy nor reduction division. Distinct chromosomes are absent, no conjugation, no exchange of genetic material. Here exchange of genetic material, conjugation also produce. Distinct chromosomes are absent. Distinct chromosomes like mesosomes. So not mesosomes. This is plasmid. Distinct chromosome are absent. Present. Neither syngamy or not reduction division. Bacteria lack alternation because neither syngamy or no reduction division is occur here. So bacteria, syngamy means gametic fusion. Syngamy means gametic fusion. No fusion are occur in bacteria. No meiosis. Reduction division means meiosis. No meiosis or no gametic fusion are occur in bacteria. Next question. Question number 15. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Here the structure of typical bacterial cell. Typical bacterial cell के अंदर कौन सा structure कौन सा point absent है? The cell possesses neat circular DNA which is folded from nucleoid. Incorrect option मेरे को ढूंढ के निकालना पड़ेगा यहाँ से. The cell possesses neat circular DNA which folded from nucleoid or genophore. This is a correct option. Cells are surrounded by peptidoglycan cell wall and mucilaginous sheath. Every ठीक है. Cell possesses well developed membrane bound cell, not. This is absent. This is the correct answer because bacteria lacks any membrane bounded cell organelles. D. Ribosome in these cells are 7 days in nature. Okay. All options are correct except C. 16 number question. bacteria oxidize various inorganic substances, okay, such as nitrate, nitrite, ammonia during nitrogen fixation and use the released energy for ATP production. They play an important role in recycling of nutrient, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, sulfur, etc. Recycling. Okay. Photosynthetic autotroph, chemosynthetic autotroph, parasitic and saprophytic. All are chemosynthetic autotrophs. Okay. These chemical substances are recycling and this chemical process are occurred by the chemosynthetic autotroph bacteria. Next question, 17 number question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? कौन सा ऑप्शन इनकरेक्ट है? Pathogenic bacteria cause 90% of human disease. Maybe is right. A large number of antibiotics are produced by actinomycetes. Definitely, streptomycin, neomycin, kanamycin, gentamicin, all are produced from actinomycetes fungi. Nitrogen fixing bacteria pick up free nitrogen from soil atmosphere and convert it into nitrogenous compound. Not soil atmosphere. This is from atmosphere. Okay, not soil atmosphere, and convert it to nitrogenous compound like nitrogen to ammonia, then nitrite, nitrate, etc. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria in having a different cell wall structure because bacterial cell wall contain peptidoglycan, but Archaebacteria cell wall contain pseudopeptidoglycan, and this feature is responsible for either survival in extreme condition. Okay, so all options are correct except C. Question number 18. Which of the following option incorrectly distinguishes the kingdom Monera and Protista? Monera includes unicellular prokaryotes, Protista multicellular prokaryotes. Not. They are also unicellular eukaryotes. Unicellular eukaryotes. Clear? B. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent, membrane bound cell organelles present. B. Correct option. Cell wall when present made up of peptidoglycan. Definitely. Cell wall if present contains cellulose like diatoms. Flagella when present comprise of protein flagellin. Definitely because centrosome or microtubule absent. Flagella and cilia when present are tubulin because centrosome is present. So here the incorrectly distinguished option is A. So here option is A because Monera are unicellular prokaryotes and Protista are not multicellular prokaryotes, they are also unicellular eukaryotes. 19 number question. Read the following statements regarding euglenoids and select the incorrect ones. Euglenoids are mixotrophs. They do photosynthesis during light condition and in the absence of light they are heterotrophs. Incorrect. They are mostly freshwater organisms. They are mostly freshwater organisms found in stagnant water. Their body is covered by protein-rich layer called pellicle, which makes their body flexible. They are photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight but become heterotrophs in the absence of sunlight. They usually possess two flagella, one long and one short. Euglenoids are multicellular ciliate Protista. So, here the incorrect option is 5. This is wrong. So, D is the correct option. But they are unicellular. Because they looks like on a small flagella on large flagella. Okay. So here the rest of the 4 option is correct. Next question, question number 20. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the Correct option. Chief producer in ocean. The chief producer of in ocean is Dinoflagellata or diatoms. Diatoms. Red tides by Dinoflagellata. Mixotropic nutrition by euglenoids. Plasmodium is a slime mold. Okay, so here the correct option is A2, B4, A2, B4, C1 and D3. A is the correct option. Next question, question number 21. Which of the following statement regarding the class Phycomycetes? Phycomycetes is correct. Phycomycetes is also called algal fungi. Algal fungi. Clear? Algal fungi. Here, incorrect. Correct option. These are found in aquatic habitat and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasites on plants. This is the wrong. Mycelium in these fungi is aseptate and coenocytic. Mycelium is aseptate and coenocytic. Asexual reproduction occur by motile zoospore and non-motile actinospore. All of these. So here all of these is the correct option. All options are correct about Phycomycetes or algal fungi. 22. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding the class Ascomycetes? Regarding the class Ascomycetes. Not correct. Conidia are the asexual spores produced endogenously on conidiophore. Ascospore are the sexual spore produced endogenously in asci. Aspergillus, Neurospora and claviceps are Ascomycetes fungi. Mycelium is generally branched and septate in Ascomycetes. All are option correct. Here A option is not correct because this is conidiophore. Here the conidia develop. Conidia develop exogenously. This is develop and not endo but exogenously. So not correct option is A. Number 23. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Column 1. Edible delicious fungi. Edible delicious fungi, morel and truffles. Edible fungi, delicious fungi, morel and truffles. Experimental genetic Neurospora crassa. Source of antibiotic, that is penicillium and streptomyces. Rust and smart disease by Parkinson and Ustilago nuda. Okay, so A is the 4. A4, B2, C3, C1, D3. C is the correct option. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes is called algal fungi. Phycomycetes is called algal fungi. Algal fungi, example mucor, rhizopas, etc. Ascomycetes is called sac fungi. Ascomycetes is called sac fungi. Example are yeast, morel, truffle, etc. Basidiomycetes is called club fungi. The example, agaricus puffball. Example, agaricus puffball. And deuterostomy is called fungi imperfective because the sexual reproduction is absent here. So example, alternaria, trichoderma. Clear? So here the option is A, right. Next question 25. Match the column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. So Monera. So which examples are Monera? Monera is Bacillus and Oscillatoria. These are bacteria. Protista. Protista Euglena and Trypanosoma. These are Protista. Fungi, Mucor and Penicillium. Plantae, Chlamydomonas and Solanum. Animalia, Felis and Panthera. So, A is 2, B 3, C 4, D 1 and E 5. B is the correct option. Next question 26 number. Which of the following statement regarding kingdom Animalia is incorrect? Animalia के बारे में कौन सा point incorrect है? A. It includes heterotrophic unicellular eukaryotic organism. Incorrect. Heterotrophic unicellular eukaryotic. Not Animalia is not unicellular. They are multicellular. The member of this kingdom lack of cell wall. Right. The mode of nutrition is holozoic. Holozoic means the organism who accept the food in the solid form. The sexual reproduction in its member is by copulation of male and female. Definitely true sexual reproduction present. So here the incorrect option is A. They are not unicellular, they are multicellular organism. 27 number question, virion. What is virion? Virion is nucleic acid of virus, antiviral agent, protein of virus, completely assembled virus outside the host. Virion is a infectious part of the virus is called virion of virus. D is the correct option. Completely assembled virus outside the host. अर्थात होस्ट के बाहर जो completely assembled मतलब जहाँ पे कैप्सिड प्रोटीन भी रहता है, जहाँ पे डीएनए भी रहता है. That is 28 number question. Which one of the following statement regarding viruses are correct? Number 1. These are cellular. Not virus are acellular. First point are correct. Correct means these are cell, not cellular, acellular, because a cell require minimum 5000 angstrom size for normal function, but it has 2000 angstrom, so no acellular. Infectious, definitely nuclear protein particle. They can be grown in culture medium. No, they cannot be grown in culture medium. Genetic material is either DNA or RNA, but never both. Never both. And they can be crystallized. So 3 and 4 is correct. So option C is the correct. Next question 29. Read the given statement about lichens and select the incorrect ones. Incorrect one. They represent an example of commensalism. Lichen is symbiosis, not commensalism. Commensalism represent two organisms live together. One organism benefited, another organism not harmed nor benefited. Algal partner obtain water and mineral salts from the fungus, and the fungal partner obtain food prepared by the algae. The algal partner obtain water, mineral salts from the fungus. This is the correct option. These do not grow in polluted areas. Lichen do not grow. This is also correct option. The mycophyte is usually an ascomycetes or basidiomycetes. Also correct. And the phycophyte is mostly green algae or cyanobacteria. These constitute the pioneer community in case of hydroceri. Not. They are plankton. Pioneer community. Not hydroceri. So here 1 and 6 are incorrect option. The 30 or last question is select the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement. Most plant viruses are RNA virus. This is the right option. Most bacteriophage possess double-stranded DNA. Definitely. Viruses having an arthropod as vector called arbovirus. Right. Example. Vector dengue, chikungunya. Example. Dengue, chikungunya. Prions possess only nucleoids and no protein. Prion is an infectious protein. Okay. So incorrect option is D. I hope this video help you a lot. So, and I prepare this type of video from each chapter. So subscribe my channel and benefits you. Thank you.